Hi, today's video is a little bit different because today I'm not going to talk about new prompt engineering techniques. I'm actually going to talk about what should you do from now on. So I have a few recommendations of courses and pages that you should follow and attend, as well as other things that you can do if you want to further equip yourself in this AI-driven experience. So let's start off with this course. It's the learn.deeplearning.ai chatgpt prompt eng. And this is a free course by Isa Fulford from OpenAI and Andrew Ng from deeplearning.ai, which I recommend to also follow on Twitter. And this course is targeted for developers, but it works for everyone really. It's simple enough, it's easy, and it goes through all the different things we've gone through in a really nice way. The second thing I'd definitely recommend also to follow is this page, promptingguide.ai, and this page has a lot of very useful information about prompt engineering as well as the different techniques, and it's updated with new techniques all the time. So I definitely again recommend for you to follow this and look at this and learn from it as well. The third one is the Microsoft Prompt Engineering Techniques. This is a learn training course or training series that talks about how to do prompt engineering and different recommendations by Microsoft. Again, this is very useful and I definitely recommend for people to follow this or to watch this and look at it and read it. Now, having said these are more learning on prompt engineering. Now, if you want to go further, there are two things I would recommend. One is LangChain and the other one is semantic kernel. These are two chain models, and what I mean by chain models is it's a way to ground your prompts. What we mean by ground is being able to give your prompts context and telling it to only use that context. That's what LangChain and semantic kernel are most used for. They're used for other things like React that we talked about in our previous videos, but the one thing that I've seen most usage out of it in production is for grounding through augmentation or augmenting your prompt with data that might come from your vector database or from your search or from different aspects like that. This does require development experience or developer experience, but LangChain I would definitely recommend for people to check it. Even if you just read the conceptual guide, it gives you an idea of how things work and how things are progressing in that domain really. Other than that, if you really want to get your hands-on experience and learn LangChain, I definitely recommend this really cool channel, Data Independent. This is one of my favorite channels that talks about LangChain. He has a lot of videos that talk about LangChain, and his way of teaching it is very, very nice. Again, this is more for technical people, but if you're up to it, go see it, learn from it. James Riggs is also very interesting. His channel is also very interesting. It is more technical, but again, it's interesting. Now, if you're more of a C# developer and you might enjoy having or working with chains that are C# driven, semantic kernel. So if you look or if you Google Microsoft semantic kernel, this is a very nice open source library or SDK for chaining as well by Microsoft, and they have a LinkedIn Learning free of charge course around it as well that I would recommend to watch. Thank you for watching, and please also subscribe to my channel. I will be doing more videos, not necessarily about prompt engineering, but around AI and around this LLM revolution. Thanks for watching.